how to fix iPhone camera black screen. Now, whenever you open the camera app, let's say you're just seeing a black screen over here and not really anything, right? So it could sometimes be a glitch. You can try to close the camera app completely from recent menu and try to relaunch it to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, what you can try to do is restart your iPhone. So press the volume up as well as the power button at the same time. When you do that, it will ask you to slide to power off. So power it off and restart it and then see if that helps you solve the problem as well. Now what you can try to do is, you can try to use a camera lens, both the front side and the back side. After that, it should help you solve it. Ensure that you're updated to the latest version as well. So go to General, from Settings, iPhone software update, and ensure you're updated to the latest version. Then once you've done that, what you can also try to do is, try to go ahead and then reset the settings. So go to General, scroll down and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset All Settings, and then you'll be able to reset your settings. And after it's done doing that, most likely it will help you solve it. If it's still not working, then it could be that you might have dropped your iPhone somewhere and there's a hardware damage or a defect, so you can try taking it to an Apple service center. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.